Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So here's a quick video for you all, and so this is what I have made. There are so many houses and I'm gonna paint them all with oil pastels and some paint markers. But the main thing I want to talk to you about is that why I was so much absent from YouTube, because these days I'm more busy into making canvases, because I'm trying to sell my artwork now, because it's better to do some work, either in I just left my job and everything, but I don't like being just sitting on home and doing nothing. So I'm just trying to sell my artwork, and it's something that I love, and I'm making all these different paintings on canvases, and just thinking to sell them. So if you want to check them out, you can go on Instagram. I have an Instagram account. Some of you maybe already following me. If you are not following me, go and follow me on Instagram. The name is still the Art Geek, but the spelling is different. I'll put a link below if you guys want to follow me. And you can see there are so many different abstract pieces there that you have not seen me drawing all those before, because I'm more into zantagles and mandalas. But I'll show you I can make other stuff as well, and surely I'll make a video for those as well. So the next video of mine is gonna be about all those abstract paintings that I'm making and all that process goes behind, and I'll show you all the different paintings that I've already made. So I'm trying to sell my work. So the thing is, if you guys are interested, you can just directly mail me and I'll ship you and everything, and I'll tell you all the details if you are interested. I'm not forcing it on you. So that's all I wanted to share with you. That is something new that is going on right now, and I have been real busy with all those artworks. So but I'll still keep making the videos and everything. But now I'm thinking of making videos of different canvases different that I made. So the next video is gonna be a canvas paint. Okay guys, so that's all for today, and next week I'll come back with new video, as I already told you, and that's for sure gonna be a canvas painting. And I have made a huge mandala on a round canvas that I wanted to show you guys, and surely I'll show you some of the process that went behind the whole canvas, the mandala canvas that I made. So guys, just be there next week, okay? And don't miss my video, and don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you won't miss any further updates, okay? Till then, bye bye.